Our happy campers say it best. Why'd you choose RV Depot over other places?
I found y'all on Facebook and read all the testimonials and saw that everyone had a great experience here. I even drove over 3 hours to come out here to purchase mine today.
What'd you like about your RV Depot experience?
The people here are very friendly. They listened to what I had to say, what my concerns were, and they showed me several different RVs, but the last one was the best one, and that's this one, and this is the one that I bought.
What do you like most about your RV?
It's very roomy, and I plan on living in it forever, the rest of my life for my retirement.
Why'd you choose RV Depot over other dealers?
We seen it on Facebook, was driving around and seen it and seen a big selection, and we pulled in.
What do you like about your RV?
The options and the luxury package that it has on it. It has all the bells and whistles on it, so it's nice and clean.
Why'd you choose RV Depot over other places?
Well, shopping online for a few weeks, going through all the deals, and found this one and made it quick and easy, very manageable. So it wasn't a hard decision.
What would you say to people who are looking for an RV?
Well, like me as a first-time buyer, this is my first RV, so you know Justin explained a lot of the ins and outs of it. You know how to get it done, and then the gentleman that was here with me when I did the walkthrough explained everything step by step, how to do everything, and made it real easy. So, like I said, me as a first-time buyer, it helps a lot.
Why'd you go to RV Depot over other places?
We seen this one online. I'm on Facebook Marketplace actually, and the prices were decent. So they worked with us on our down payment, so we decided to come here.
What would you say to people who are looking for an RV?
Come here. Great experience. Come here.
On the RV Depot.
Yes.
So why'd you choose RV Depot over other places?
I went to a couple different places and nobody would help me. RV Depot, they help me. They put you in whatever you need, whatever you can afford. It's yours.
How did your salesperson enhance your buying experience?
Well, he was very accommodating. If I had questions or if I had problems or whatever, he was right there. Whatever I was looking for out here, he tried his best to find for me, and we found it.
So why'd you choose RV Depot over other places?
I found our RV Depot luckily through an ad on Facebook. All I did was inquire about this particular RV back here. It took about maybe two and a half weeks, including the 7-day period where they checked these things out. Tell you what, it was seamless.
How did Danielle enhance your buying experience?
Yeah, she's been extremely helpful, very prompt. I called her a handful of times to ask her questions about, hey, what do you think I'm gonna need here? Or do you guys accept this? Or do you guys accept that? And she was there with me the whole step.
What are you most excited about your RV?
We basically have a home on wheels that we can go and be comfortable and do the fun things that we love to do. Whereas we would go get an Airbnb or try to find a hotel, and that can be frustrating in a lot of areas. So now we got this thing, so we should be all right.